Is that the only level you can pick right now? Because I'm okay with
There's
it.
0 level.
Why don't you...
There's an X on it. I can't even...
What the fuck?
I don't know.
What the... No, they're different.
They are different, but they all have X's on them.
What the f... Can you do anything?
No.
Try pushing all the buttons.
What?
What? What the
Oh.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What? What?
Maybe that's why they called this game Stretchment.
Why?
Some
Who's doing that?
little panic.
What is the... What is fucking going on?
I don't know, dude.
I don't even know what could be... Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god. What is this fu...
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh! What's going on, Aaron?
I don't know.
Aaron, wait, can you pinch your movie some more and just shoot him back? What is this game fucking rated?
I don't... Is that the end? Is that the end for me? Is that we're just exiting the world now?
Alright.
I literally have no clue.
I think I orgasmed a few times during that.
That's good. I'm glad that you got some satisfaction out of it. Me, on the other hand, terrified. Just a little bit.